Hi there. I just wanted to show you real quick how you can use a whiteboard during your Teams meetings. So I'm inside a meeting right now, and if I click on Share Content, I can click on Microsoft Whiteboard. And then I can choose if I want to be the only one who can edit or write on the whiteboard, or if everybody should be able to edit. And I'm choosing everybody now. And you can see here, if you click on this symbol, you can stop the editing by other participants, so you can change that during the meeting. And yeah, you have a whiteboard here. You have different pens, so you can write on the whiteboard using a pen, saying hello, and you can erase that by using the eraser. You can type text by clicking on the text symbol up here. Can move that around or delete it. And you can add notes on Post-its. So you just click on the Post-it symbol and say, this is a note. The whiteboard is pretty much infinite, so you can put a Post-it on here and then use your scroll button, and you have lots of space. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you want to save what you did, you can do so here in the settings. You can export the image. So if you're together with students inside a meeting, you can just export what you did and maybe paste it in your OneNote notebook, so you have everything that you've worked on in the meeting in your notebook. The whiteboard also works inside of breakout rooms, so if you're working with students and you want to have them inside the breakout rooms, they can prepare whatever they're doing on their whiteboard, and this will be saved when they get back to their regular meeting. So they can just work on their whiteboard, go back to the main meeting, and share what they did. Okay, that's it. I hope you have fun with the whiteboard. Bye-bye.